bright sunny morning. We're at Fluffy's. Cat treats are going down. Dumped and rinsed out her water dish and refilled it and gave her a handful of dry food. She's had her chewable flea and tick treatment, working on cat treats. Collies. She's here next to the Lutheran Church on the bark. Jay's gone to the church's back parking lot to put cat food and cat treats down on the cement curb. Come on. We have what looks to be a red-tailed hawk on the eucalyptus tree at Whispering Hills Ranch. Its back is to us. So I'm just going to do a short video. Okie dokies, it's over there. We have all 5 of the male wild turkeys here this morning. Here's Toby heading to Jay. Yes, that's mine too. Yeah, you got one. And we have the 4 female wild turkeys out on the hillside behind the church next door to Alvis Adobe Park. A house sparrow. It's a male house sparrow. And some more house sparrows and a California towhee. A couple of them.
So he's been doing things like posing with turkeys and
other wildlife.
Yeah, zebras.
The kind that won't eat you.
It was a nice afternoon.
I almost missed this red-tailed hawk. When I first spotted it, it was turned slightly so its breast wasn't visible. Just looked like a dark part of the tree or something. And it turned a bit and the sun lit up the nice buff colored breast feathers.
The same red-tailed hawk that Jay just did a video on from the back parking lot of the Lutheran Church is being harassed probably by a mockingbird on the one of the redwood cluster trees past Poppy Lane condo area. He's up there. We're at Whispering Hills Ranch. The two peahens and the Peachick is here. He's looking awfully blue in the neck. I think he's a boy. They're ready for food, so I'm going to turn off. Okay, the two peahens and the Peachick are busy eating sunflower seeds. Hey, come on, there's plenty for everybody there. We're back at Fluffy's. Treats will be going down. There they are. Jay's going to put the rest of the dry food down for her.